In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive on Windows 11. If you're tired of automatic syncing or you simply want to stop OneDrive from running on this PC, the quickest and cleanest way is to unlink the computer from your OneDrive account. This turns off syncing without uninstalling anything, and you can always reconnect later. Your existing files on the computer stay where they are, and your cloud files remain safely in your OneDrive online. Start by opening OneDrive from the system tray. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen for the small cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow that shows hidden icons and you should find it there. Some people have both a personal and a work or school OneDrive. If you see two clouds, choose the one you want to disable on this device. Click the cloud icon to open the OneDrive panel. In the panel, select the settings gear. This gear icon usually sits near the top right of the OneDrive window. Open it, then choose Settings to bring up the full OneDrive settings window. In the settings window, go to the Account tab. This is where your OneDrive account details and folder location are managed. You'll see an option labeled Unlink this PC. Click that. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you're certain, since this stops syncing for this device. Confirm to proceed. The change takes effect immediately. OneDrive will stop syncing on this computer right away. The OneDrive folder and any files that were already downloaded remain on your machine, but they will no longer update from the cloud. Anything still only in the cloud stays available on the OneDrive website and on any other devices where you're still signed in. If a sign-in window pops up afterward, you can simply close it if you're done. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Unlinking doesn't delete your files. If you need space locally, you can manually move or archive files later, but be deliberate so you don't remove something important. If you decide to resume syncing in the future, open OneDrive and sign back in with your account to relink this PC. Also, if you were using both personal and work